Are you looking to make YouTube a career? And if so, are you asking yourself, how am I going to make money doing this? If so, this is the video for you. Stay tuned. What is going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. And like I mentioned in the intro, we're going to be talking about 5 ways you can make money on YouTube. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Getting started, let's talk about one thing you might know of already that you can do to make money on YouTube, and that is running ads on YouTube or enabling monetization. Well, you might be able to. YouTube has actually added requirements over the past year or two that are a little bit more strict than what we've seen in the past. And that is you have to have 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. So that is kind of a big deal if you're really wanting to get ads ran on your channel. I do want to say, however, with things that we've seen in the past, such as adpocalypse and demonetization of just some weird content, like we would see just regular videos get demonetized for no reason or copyright strike for absolutely no reason. It is not the most sustainable source of income because it's not reliable. And this is why we want to have multiple avenues of revenue for your YouTube channel, which is why we're going to be talking about 4 others right after this. So let's go. The second thing we're going to be talking about is affiliate programs. There are tons upon tons of affiliate programs on the internet. The main one that we're going to be talking about is Amazon affiliate because it is huge and there are tons of things on Amazon and tons of people buy stuff on Amazon daily. One example of this is in our description. We actually have links down there and we have a disclaimer that if you click on some of these links and you buy products afterwards, we might receive a small kickback, which is awesome. It's no extra cost to you, but you might click on a link and say, buy the same webcam we're using or buy the same microphone I'm using. And you might be like, hey, I want that too. You can click on it and it gives us a kickback. Sometimes it's 1%, sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more. And it's just another form of revenue. With that being said, it doesn't matter the items that you can buy or you could put on there. It could be computer items. It could be cat food. The possibilities are pretty much endless whenever it comes to the amount of things that you can find on Amazon and even other affiliate programs. For example, if you're into the gaming community, there are tons of gamer drinks and gamer supplements and gamer keyboards and mice and everything that offer affiliate programs just the same as Amazon. The next thing we're going to be talking about is selling your services. So what all does this encompass? It can encompass a ton of things. Maybe you're a good 3D designer and you make 3D modeling and stuff like that. You could sell a 3D model to people and link it in your description and have a video about it and then link out to an e-commerce website or Sellfy. I've done this in the past with graphic design. You could do it with video edits. You could do it with tons of different things, and you can just showcase your talents on the internet, and some people might be willing to spend money on those, and that can make you money. Another way you can make money on YouTube is by selling merchandise. You could sell brand specific merchandise. So for example, if How To Tech, we wanted to, we could make a How To Tech shirt, or you can embrace a community as a whole and go more niche, as specific as making technology branded merchandise and stuff like that. So it could just be general and not just How To Tech brand. By doing that, it kind of gives you more of a wide appeal, and you might even be able to make more money by appealing to the masses. The last thing we're going to be talking about today is brand deals, and brand deals can be really huge for you, and they might not necessarily mean that you get monetary value out of them. So there could be tons of different things that you could do. You could work with a brand and they could say, hey, we're going to give you this product for review. You can keep the product, just review it. And that is a way of, getting a product in. You could also do the same thing for money. A brand might reach out to you and say, hey, here's a keyboard for a review. Here's $45. It doesn't have to be tons of money. It could be something similar to that. A good example is Linus Tech Tips is a huge technology-based channel, and he gets products all the time for brand deals. They'll be like, hey, Seagate, for example, they make hard drives for computers. They're like, hey man, here's like 110 terabyte drives, put them into a system. They're free for you. You're showcasing our products. That brings us traffic and you get these products for free. So that could be really huge for channels, and it doesn't have to just be that. It could be a microphone, it could be a headset, it could be tons of different products. And I know, for example, they don't all have to be technology based. They could be workout supplements. If you guys do workout videos or anything to do with athletics and stuff like that, the possibilities are endless and can vary from niche to niche. So I know we talked about quite a few different things. We talked about YouTube ads, affiliate programs, selling your services, merchandise, and even brand deals. And these are 5 things, and really these are not the only things you can do. There are tons of other ways you can find to bring in more revenue streams for your YouTube channel and make YouTube more of an option or possibly even a career for you in the future, which is awesome. And that's really what we're just trying to open your eyes to, that there's not just one way to make money on YouTube and you don't have to just rely on ads. There are tons of other things you can do, and you can really experiment with the market and try to figure out what will work best for you and your YouTube channel. So all right guys, that's gonna be all for this video. If you enjoyed or learned something, make sure to hit that like button and comment in the comment section down below what you enjoyed most about this video. If you aren't subbed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because the way we're looking right now, we're gonna be trying to put out 3 videos a week and possibly even more in this year of 2020. We definitely plan on having a roadmap of content that's just going to be absolutely insane. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That is going to be all for this video. This has been Chad from How to Tech, the channel helping you take your tech to the next level, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.